is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah, oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah, yeah. It's my mind and my soul. Where's your pride? Check your ego. It's all left mine.
Hold on. Did you say you're on your way?
So no guys, I am definitely not moving. So basically the reason why I'm here is to do cleanup because the house is finally off the market. Yes, the house finally off the market, and it is out for long-term rental, and the person will be moving in soon. So you know, basically clean up of one and all the little thing there. So I'm gonna start off by showing you the house, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2 regular rooms, and a master bedroom. You don't know what master mean. I have one own bathroom, one walk-in closet, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna start off by showing you the kitchen because I'm in the kitchen already. So yeah, jump into that. So that's it. That is it. And this is the washroom. So may I wash, so I have clothes in the tub, and yeah, nice and spacious. Don't mind the sound in the background because work still going on the place, so we're not gonna hear noise. So this is one of the bedrooms. So get into it. And this is the bathroom. This is the second bedroom. It's still under construction. And this is the master bedroom. So there is no light inside of this bedroom, which is the master. I also have a walk-in closet. So this is the bathroom. The mirror is supposed to put up right as so. And yeah, regular degular, nothing over exaggerated. And this is the living and dining area. Pretty big, as I can see everything out, everything I work on, all of the tools, all of the equipment them still up on the ground cause a clean up segment. So yeah, so that's basically it. And underneath the staircase there is a little space where you can use the storage and all of that. So big up to the person who I go move in soon, have a little space. Yeah, and it's nice and spacious. So right now my tired bad. It's around after 1 in the morning and I'll get a shower. I'll jump into the shower and head back to Kingston. Fever kill me right now. So guys, thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and remember to like the video.
It's my mind and my soul. Pussy your pride. Check your ego. It's all left mine. At the door. Just because I let it slide. Running all in my emotions.